the ear.
Squeeze the ear.
Squeeze the ear.
Where's her ear?
Squeeze the ear.
You are
No.
too cool.
Where's her ear? Squeeze her ear.
It's not for you.
Here, squeeze her ear. Where's her ear?
Squeeze the ear.
Squeeze her ear.
Squeeze
Squeeze
it.
my ear to hear what I'm thinking.
Is it that one or the other ear?
Nadine told me I'm very lucky to have a friend like you. You know what? I'm learning to read. I know, let's say, the calendar poem. 30 days past September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February, the 28th. But when a leap year comes each 4, then February has one more. Hey,
Anna.
it's a wonderful day to play. To hear what I'm thinking, squeeze my ear. Hear what I'm thinking. Squeeze my ear.
Squeeze her ear.
To play a game, squeeze my toe.
Oh, squeeze his toe.
I know. Hey,
Squeeze his
let's
toe.
make a silly sentence together. Ready? The
Squeeze his
itchy
toe.
wombat.
Squeeze his foot.
Wow, you're doing great. Squeeze my ear to hear what I'm thinking. Play a game. Squeeze my toe. Squeeze my toe to play a game.
Watch.